In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Microsoft Teams with a Gmail account. So let's get started on this journey to access Microsoft Teams using your Gmail account. First, you'll want to open up Microsoft Teams. You can do this by heading over to teams.microsoft.com on your web browser. Alternatively, if you have the Microsoft Teams desktop or mobile app, you can launch it from there. Once you've got Microsoft Teams open, the next step is to choose your sign in option. You'll see a button labeled sign in. Give that a click. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your Gmail address. Type in your Gmail address, for instance, something like your name at gmail.com, and then click Next to proceed further. Now comes an important part, using your Gmail with a free Microsoft account. If you've already linked your Gmail to a Microsoft account in the past, then it's simple. Just enter your password and sign in as you normally would. However, if you haven't linked your Gmail yet, don't worry. Microsoft Teams will guide you to create a Microsoft account using your Gmail address. It's straightforward. Just click on Create Account. Follow the on-screen instructions to set a password and verify your Gmail account. This verification step ensures that everything is secure and that you can get started with Teams without a hitch. After you've signed in, you're ready to access Teams for free. Congratulations, you're now in. As part of Microsoft Teams, free, you can create and join teams, start personal chats, hold meetings, and make calls. Plus, you have the option to invite others using their email addresses, whether they use Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, or another service. It opens up a wide space for collaboration and communication. That said, there's one more thing to cover. If you're planning on using Microsoft Teams for work or school purposes, there's a slight caveat. If your organization manages Teams, logging in with just a Gmail account might not suffice. In these cases, you'll need a work or school Microsoft 365 account provided by your IT administrator to gain full access to your organization's Teams environment. And that about wraps it up. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily use your Gmail to log into Microsoft Teams and start collaborating with others. It's an efficient and effective way to stay connected.